Are Medicare flex cards real? Yes, they're real. Are they a scam? No, they're not a scam, but I feel like the way a lot of people are advertising them on TV and on social media is scammy. I don't think you should ever make a decision to buy a Medicare Advantage plan, which is where they're offered, because the existence of a flex card. You want to look at the whole plan. And you have to think of it like this. All these insurance companies get the same amount of money from the government. So let's say they get $1,000 a month in your zip code. And it varies year to year. It does vary by your zip. There's a lot of variables. Well, let's just say that Humana, United Healthcare, Aetna, Blue Cross, they all get $1,000 to craft a Medicare Advantage plan in your zip code. Now, the first company could say, above our $1,000, we want to offer everybody $2,000 worth of dental. Okay? Now they only have so much money left to do other benefits. And they got to offer all their stuff. This one says, well, we want to offer a gym membership, and that's going to cost an extra $1,000 a month. This one says, we don't want to offer dental or a gym, but we want to offer flex card. We want to offer $200 a month for food. This one says, we want to offer discounted hearing aids, $100 copay. So they all have the same money. So whatever benefit you're latching onto that you're like, oh, wow, I want that. You got to look at what you're giving up. Are you going to pay more in your doctor copay every month? Sure, you're going to pay more on something. But if you don't ever hardly go to the doctor, if you go to the doctor 2 or 3 times a year, that might be a good decision for you. If you see an expensive specialist 2 times or more a month, then you don't want to pay more for that specialist copay just so you can get the flex card, because you're going to pay more in doctor copays than what you're going to get in your flex card. So flex card benefits are real. They're going to give you like a credit card. Not all insurance companies offer them, but more and more are. And they're giving you a preloaded card, and every month you have, for example, $200 to spend. And most of them say you can only spend it on this. So some of the common ones this year are you can spend it on dental, vision, and hearing. Nothing cosmetic, but approved dental, vision, and hearing. You might really need dental. That might be your go-to thing. We might recommend that this is the plan for you. What I don't want you guys to do is look at these TV ads and be like, oh, I want that benefit. Hello, give me that benefit. That benefit can make the phone ring to start the conversation. We could talk to you about what plans are available in your area. So all the stuff you see on TV, none of it might be available in your zip code. Medicare Advantage is priced all the way down to the zip code. If you live on the border, your neighbor across the street might have access to these benefits. You don't have access to them. It's based on your zip code, where you file as your residency, or what, are you domiciled in Florida or in Ohio? So flex cards are real. Keep in mind, when you buy Medicare Advantage, that whatever package of benefits you bought for a calendar year. You bought for 2022. It will all change in 2023. Sometimes they get way better. That's weird. Sometimes they get worse. So with inflation, companies getting different amounts of money from the government to craft those plans, they could cut. We saw a lot of the gym benefits being cut over the last 5 years because the companies paid a lot to offer that gym benefit and nobody was using it. So silver sneakers used to be ubiquitous. Everybody had it. Now some don't. They have different, cheaper, or no gym benefits. We never used to see dental. Now almost everybody's offering some dental. How good a dental that is. Don't just say, oh, they have dental, I want it. It might not cover what you need, which is crowns, implants, partials, full dentures. It might only cover exams, x-rays, extractions. So you have to look at the whole summary of benefits. And that's what a good agent is going to do for you, is first of all, listen to you. What's important to you? Do you need hearing aids? Do you need vision? Do you need grocery money? What's your most important thing here? Do you have upcoming surgeries? Are you struggling to make your monthly copay? Is a monthly premium, a low monthly premium, the most important thing? What is important to you? Where do you live? What's available to you? And we're going to go through and do all this homework and all this research and help you choose the plan that you feel most comfortable with for this year. And then it's next year before you know it. Starting in October, you can look at next year's plans. And you can make a choice until December 7th, what you want to have for next year. You can keep what you have, even though it'll change on January 1st. If you don't do anything, you can typically keep what you have and just move to the plan that will change for January 1st of the next year. Or you can say, I don't want this plan anymore. It's losing benefits. Or I want to go to that plan. That plan has a lot more attractive benefits. So as much as you don't like doing this process, researching it, reworking with us, you got to do it every year. And that's what we do at the Medicare Family. We love what we do, and we hope it shows. Call us. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.